Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to disable notification settings in the Hero Wars application. First of all, launch open the Hero Wars on your device and from the main lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner, and this will open up the settings where you'll need to select notification from the left. Now, if you want to disable the notifications, you can go ahead and select a specific notification type you want to disable and simply tap on the square box to disable it. If it is checked in green, it means the specific notification is enabled. If you want to disable it, just uncheck that. And if you want to disable all the notifications, scroll down and click on disable all, and then you'll be able to disable every notification type the game has. Or you can also switch off the specific type of notifications you don't want, or you can just turn off all of it. The changes will take effect immediately. So that's it. If you ever want to enable notification, you can come back to the same page and choose the specific notification you want alert for, or you can also choose to enable all kinds of notifications from the same menu. So that's it. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.